Ugh, look how thick that was. Cut right through it. All right, YouTube, Fully D is back. Today, we're gonna use the Skil SawZall. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of work in the garage. I gotta put a blade in here. I should have blades. Should be the same blades that fit my corded one. See if you guys can see that. You just take the blade. You gotta twist this. Let me see. So yeah, so this is my first time using this tool, so it should be similar, okay, to my corded one. And it is, so it just locks in there just like that. So we ready to cut. Now this is for, just say it's for wood, if I can see that. But I'm gonna use this anyway. I gotta cut some of these branches out there. Got my battery. So come on real quick. All right, so let's just go out there and fuck it. Let's see if we can cut. Like I literally just decided to go cut some shit and to use this tool. I think I showed y'all the review a little while back. So now I'm finally using this thing. Let me see what I got to cut out here. Man, this grass grows so fast. Like it's been what, 2 weeks since I've been out here? 3 weeks maybe. This grass, I ain't mowing that long no time soon right now. Tired of that shit. So really guys, what I want to do is cut off like some of these smaller branches and shit, so like we can throw it in the trash, because like trash won't take it. Like let's take something like this. Like honestly guys, I really don't know what I'm going to cut. I'm actually like free balling this. Like whatever I walk across, I'm gonna cut. I don't have no plans for this video. I'm literally just decided to come out here, use this new tool I got, and see how it works. So something like this. Let's see if we can cut it off. Let's start up here. Bam, cut that right. Let's see if we can find something a little more sturdier than some of this stuff is actually tough. Like these trees right here, these trees, I got a chainsaw I'm gonna cut this shit with. I think I showed y'all the chainsaw video a while back too. So I'm gonna have to use that to cut this down, because this bad boy right here ain't gonna do it. So I gotta use a chainsaw for that. I'll probably show y'all me cutting that off. Got this branch, this tree here. Yeah, I see how thick this is, right? I don't know if I can see. That's a pretty thick branch right there. Let's see if we can cut that off. Cut right through that. Remember, we gotta chop up everything into pieces so I can fit it into a bag. So let's chop this branch down real quick. See, that'll fit way better in a bag. The trash people won't take certain stuff. Make sure you get these edges off, because this will rip through the bag, the trash bag. chop it down. Yo, I don't know if I'm getting this because I got this chest strap on right now, but this thing is cutting right through it, y'all. Look how thick that is. I'm so happy I bought this thing. Look at that. This thing is cutting, bro. That's what I need. This right here. Hold on, y'all. I probably should have wore my my shoulder strap instead of my chest strap. Pretty much what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm chopping down all this big stuff, all these big branches. I'll make them to smaller branches so I can bag them up. You know what I mean? That's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Using this Skil. I'm gonna tell y'all though, the price of this, for the, you know what I mean, for the price, and it's brushless, I mean, this is worth, you know, I'd rather buy this than buy the DeWalt or the brushless Milwaukee. I mean, this thing is crazy. It's a proven brand. This brand is proven to work. It's been around for a minute too. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Go. Chopping pretty good, y'all. I'm down to this. I had a big stick as long as that whole space right there. Now look where I'm at. Pretty quick, right? You guys might want some gloves or something like that. Some PPE, some protective gear. You don't want to get hurt. Gotta finish that piece. Look how long this piece is right here. This piece come all the way down, all the way down. Holy shit. Man, I got a lot to cut right there. But that's why I bought this, because it's portable. I can take it to where I need it. I needed this. I'm glad I got it. I'm really glad that I got it. Hold on. See, that's why I don't like this trap strap. Y'all are looking at my fucking, you know what, the, you know where, you know what the fuck. And I don't want y'all looking at that. It's supposed to be looking up at the damn tree. That's why I hate this chest strap. Oh man. Look how thick that was. That's pretty thick. I cut right through that. Getting the job done. He is getting the job done, bro. For real, bro. Yeah. Chopping up the wood. Maybe I should chop this light off right here. Boop, boop. You see my light? That's a motion sensor light. See that? At daytime, it gets its energy, and at nighttime, it turns on, and it gives light to the yard. Okay, I got 2 of those. Actually, here come this one. Look, check this one out. This one is like eye level. This was the first one I put up. Real ghetto. But I can touch this one. It's right here. So when it's on, it basically just lights up this area right here, which is not good because this light can actually light up a whole lot more space, but because I got it so low, it's only gonna put light right here. So I don't know. And I actually put cement in this one. I put cement down in there. So I probably have to dig it back up to add another piece of wood to make it taller. I don't know. It's too short though. And then that concrete probably gonna keep me from getting it out. So what I'll probably do is just cut it. I don't know, cut it right here. And then add another 2x4 to that to make it taller. So I can get the height that I'm supposed to get. I don't know. But as y'all can see, this one is way up there. So when I did that one, I added the wood together to make it taller. So I could have just bought a pipe, but I think they sell these at Lowe's or Home Depot. You know, one of those fancy looking poles, but I didn't know that. So I made my own pole. But look how much taller that one is. I can't touch that. Come here. It's way up there. But it lights up all that because it's higher, so I get more light. And then this one, I just got a stake. Got it from one of my buddies. He gave it to me. And it's just a stake like this tall. And then you beat it into the ground. And then you sit the wood into it. And you lock the wood in with these bolts. Some type of bolts. And it's up there. It's been up there for a minute. So probably gotta do that one to that one. Then I'll probably put another one down there somewhere. Those fucking lights are expensive though. That light is $160. Both of those lights, they're $160. And the wood is like $20. There's so much space out here. I gotta light it up somehow, you know what I mean? Can't have these kids out here and it's dark and shit. All right, y'all, we're gonna cut some more. We got the Skil. I know this can't cut this tree. I should try to see if I can cut a piece off. What y'all think? Ugh. Let's see what y'all think. Cut it off. I'm just wasting blade now. This is an old ass tree, y'all. Ugh, look how thick that was. Cut right through it. I don't even remember this tree sitting here. Like, I don't even remember this. And I'm out here every day. I don't even remember seeing that damn tree. How y'all like it so far? How y'all like it? I say this thing is a beast. I mean, we only cutting trees, but what the fuck? I mean, this thing is working. It's hot. I don't feel like it's cutting like it was. Let me cut let me change this blade real quick, and then I'm gonna take y'all to the show y'all these branches I want to cut off real quick. It's only gonna take a second. Let me see. All you gotta do is twist them out. Boop. Twist them out real quick. I don't even know where I put my blades at. Here you go. Got a blade right here. Brand new blade. Stick them in there real quick. All right, he locked in. Let's just grab something to drink real quick. Oh man. Tie my shoe real quick. I gotta tie my shoe, right? Real quick, y'all. I know I had y'all for a minute. We're gonna go out there real quick. I'm gonna show y'all the branches that I gotta cut. Let's go. I'm sorry about the delay, guys. Let's come out here real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. So I gotta do the entire side, each side of the yard. That's the end goal. The end goal is I gotta clear all this shit out. That's the end goal. But to get to that end goal, I gotta clean all this shit up. And it's a process. I've been doing this shit for a long time, trying to clean this yard out. And every time you clean something, something new grows. So it's a never ending fucking battle. By the time I'm done cutting, mowing the yard, some other shit then grew back. And then by the time I cut out what then grew back, the yard is grown back. So it's fucking sickening. Hold on, let me see if I can cut this thing down. What is this? Look like some type of tree. They must have grew some type of tree here. Let's just leave it there for a minute because I don't know what it is. I'm gonna find out what it is, but I don't know what it is. I'll bring y'all down here. I started cutting all this wood, all these trees a long time ago. But right now, like all these trees here, like all these little branches, I can't cut that with my little weed whacker or my little Craftsman thing. I gotta come in here and cut this off with something like this. See all these branches. These are all branches, y'all. Like they small, but they too big for a weed whacker. All these gotta go, y'all. All these gotta go. The reason why I bought this is because the chainsaw is a little too big for all this. You know what I mean? I don't need a chainsaw for this. This is little branches. I just got stabbed by one of these fucking branches. You know what? I might just go back to using a saw for this shit right here. Because when I be having a saw, I'll just be up in here like this. Bang. The chainsaw. I'll be like, just cutting all that shit off at one time. This right here is a little too damn slow for me now. But it's easy. It's easy. Little by little, this shit's gonna come out. Little by little. I'm so impatient, I'll try to cut through like 10 branches at one time. But if you haven't noticed, I made a big dent right there. You see that? I literally walked into here. I couldn't walk into here before. It was all branches right here. It's all branches right here. I literally cut that much off, that fast. Watch this. I'm gonna take all this whole section off real quick for y'all. Mind you, I'm doing this with one hand, but y'all can see that dent I just made right there. So it's definitely working, definitely making a difference, y'all. You know what I mean? Gotta get it done, y'all. That took off a nice piece of space right there. I gotta get all the way over there, y'all. My property goes way over there. I gotta get all that. I want all the mines. I'll tell y'all one thing, my legs is itching so bad. I never even seen a tree go like that. What is this? Like, what is that? God damn it, this tree is fucking me up. Some shit I did a while back, all this was cut off already. All this was cut off. There go the groundhogs, the hole right there. That's a groundhog hole down there. I ain't going down there. All right, so I'm gonna head back. Hold on, cause I gotta this GoPro about to die. 14% left. It's probably hot. Probably getting hot too. But yeah, y'all, that's the Skil reciprocating SawZall, or saw, whatever you want to call it, in action. This thing is a beast. The name is well known. I like it. So, pretty cool tool, man. It's portable. You know, that's why it's portable. It's made so you can take it to wherever you gotta go. I just did this grass maybe a week ago. And look at it. It's already, I did the whole yard in one shot, one day. I did the whole yard. It took maybe like 2 hours. The whole yard. It took 2 hours to do this, an acre and a half. And look, it's right back. I gotta cut it again. So, it is what it is. It is what it is. I want to get something to keep that grass from growing though, like some weed killer or something. I haven't even dug in here yet. I think the last people, they used to keep their flowers in here and shit. It's already gated off. But yeah, y'all, fuck. So I'm gonna keep going, man. I'm gonna do some more, but I'm gonna let y'all go because the GoPro is dying. So I gotta end the video. I got 10% left. 10%. 10%, y'all. But yeah, man, if y'all like the Skil reciprocating tool, let me know. I like it. If you have one, let me know how you like it. But before this GoPro jumps off, because it's down to 7%. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned, man. More videos to come. Catch y'all later.